Moving right along, we're going to be changing data in a cell 1.7. Don't forget, we're in Excel, the plum section. So you can edit data that's already in there if you need to make some kind of a minor change. You can replace the data, or you can clear the data in a cell. So starting on page 15, in the plum section, you want to be in A11. Don't forget A11 or right here. At the top of your keyboard, there's some keys that have an F in front of them. Those are called your function keys. And so you want to press the F2, and that takes you inside the cell, the very end. Now here you can see an insertion point blinking after the G. And you want to press your left arrow 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put you after the C in pack. And then we're going to type that. So instead of a real frog, we are going to be counting Pac-Man frogs. You guys remember Pac-Man? I remember that. I loved Pac-Man back in the day. To accept the information, you're going to press enter, and let me also caution you, watch that capitalization. Remember, the computer marks you down, so I want to make sure that you have it correct. Okay, D10. So we made a mistake, or the person who counted frogs made an error. We didn't really get 23 frogs as the red-eyed tree frogs. It was 18. So if you want to replace, the first thing we did, as far as right here, we edited this cell. Now we're going to go to D10. Since there was a mistake, it's not really 23 frogs, it's 18. To replace data, you simply just start typing, and it immediately erases what's in there and begins to accept what you type. So be really careful, because if you're in any cell that has information and you just start typing, it's going to wipe it out and put whatever it is you're typing. That's where that undo button is very valuable. Make sure you guys learn to immediately undo. Maybe not as critical in Word, but in Excel you can get yourself in a real pickle. Alright, so you're going to press enter to accept the 18. Notice our totals changed. And then in A3, we decide we don't need that information. So in order to clear the cell, you simply press the delete key on your keyboard. Okay, so make sure you get checked off for this and move right along to the next step.